Well, we just got into a room at the Reed House Hotel in downtown Chattanooga. We're here for a conference, mostly business, but we will have a little free time, thank God. And when I booked the room, I said, "Can you please give me a high room?" And when we checked in, I said, "Is there anything that we should upgrade to? Is there anything worth doing?" And they said, "Well, you're already on the top floor in a corner room." So I'm like, okay, and they said it has a great view. So we checked in, we just walked in here and we're sort of amazed actually. They redid this whole hotel supposedly, I don't know when, the last 5 years or several years. It is a top of the line gem little hotel.
We are on top. Oh,
10th
look at
floor.
our view. Wow.
That's a view towards, I guess, Lookout Mountain.
Look at that. Nice.
And it's just old. They've got a beautiful chandelier, type of lamp. Look at the view out this window, looking, I'm not sure, I guess that's north. Sun is going down behind us, so that's actually east.
Okay, hold on, because I need.
I don't know, sort of a nice looking bed, I think. This king size bed.
Yes,
We'll be
it
using
is.
it well later.
I feel like a royalty with that kind of
And
headboard.
this is a really very nice.
Yeah.
And they
I
also,
love the bathroom.
They also redid
The bathroom, the
and it
old
has that old
bathroom is like old kind of
1910
style.
or 20
It's
kind of
like,
feeling, Art Deco sort
it's
of.
so beautiful. Look at that folding with the towel.
Yeah, very nice. Hi everybody out there in TV land. So anyway,
I still can't talk.
I highly recommend coming here whenever you happen to
What
be
is the name of this
in this
hotel?
part of the state of Tennessee. This is the Reed House Hotel in downtown Chattanooga.
Okay. I really think you can be a better blogger than me. I don't have that confidence. I'm very, very shy still. Did you work in NASA? With your NASA
No,
shirt?
I'm just an advocate of space travel.